Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to copy background color in Microsoft Excel. So let's started. At first, open your Excel document file. Firstly, then I show the Excel document from the data. Now, shall sheet from the copy cell background color. Now, click for the NSL. Now, going to the fill color option. Now, then this is color. This color from the copy. Now, click for the mouse right button option. Now, click for the copy option. This cell background color, the L here paste. Now, click for the mouse right button option. Yes. That's it. Then again. Then I show the copy cell background color in Microsoft Excel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my